Now your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So we're looking at a 47-degree temperature at the airport with a dew point value of 41. So it's cool, crisp air outside. It's bracing as you head out the door this morning. In many locations, in some places more so than others, we have reports in inland areas of temperatures dipping into the 30s this morning. And you don't have to go far inland. Northport seeing some very chilly temperatures. Palmetto seeing some very chilly temperatures. Mayaca. So bundle up out there. I think you'll be able to lose those light jackets and sweaters, though, as we head into the afternoon and temperatures begin to rise to a value a little bit warmer than it was 24 hours ago. We'll start this warming trend that we've been talking about now for days, and it's going to get us up to near the 70-degree mark this afternoon. This afternoon looks like it's going to be just a beautiful afternoon. Lighter winds, full sunshine, no rain, and daytime highs near the 70 mark. This evening will be another cool one, though. Temperatures will quickly drip down into the 50s, and overnight lows will be similar to what they were this morning. A big ridge of high pressure just back to the west kind of moves a little bit closer to us today. Moves a lot closer to us over the next 24 hours and eventually exits out into Atlantic waters, shifting our winds and effectively just cutting off the flow of air out of the north that's kept us so cool for so many days in a row now. When that high moves into the Atlantic and winds shift easterly, we begin a warm up that takes us up near the 80-degree mark, which returns us to about our average temperatures, or even a little above our average temperatures for this time of year. But it does look like the first day of spring 5 days from now is going to come in on the cool side, because another front taking shape back to the west is on the way. That'll be arriving here next work week. But until then, start of the daytime warm-ups begins today. Cool nights, though, still for another couple of nights, as that dew point air is still very low. Dew point meaning dry air. Dry air effectively cools off very easily. We'll wait for that moisture to return as we develop that easterly wind this weekend, and then nighttime lows will be a little bit warmer. Next chance of rain showers, though, don't come until next week with another approaching frontal boundary I just mentioned. Watch the RPM computer model, put it into motion. We have completely sunny skies for today and for tomorrow as well. Over the weekend, maybe a few fair weather clouds, and then over the weekend, we'll watch an area of low pressure beginning to develop, producing rain showers in the deep south and creating a trailing cold front that'll be moving through our area probably on about Tuesday. As it moves through our area, we'll have a rain chance of about 50 to 60%, I think. Don't see any severe weather quite yet in the forecast, but certainly we could get some much needed rainfall. That then exits, and we're left with some clearing skies, which will eventually lead to some chillier temperatures once again. So spring will come in, I think, with temperatures in the lower 70s, maybe even some upper 60s as we head into next week. North wind coming in at about 10 today, light chop on your bay and inland waters, and the forecast looks like this. 70 for our high temperature today. On Friday, we'll look for about 74. Again, another cool night tonight, but then we'll start to warm as we head into the weekend. Saturday, we'll have a morning low of about 54 degrees. So if you have an early tea time on Saturday, it'll be a little bit better. And then as we head into the afternoon on Saturday, a 75-degree temperature will make it feel, I think, a lot more comfortable out there for St. Patty's Day. And St. Patty's Day evening celebrations, just fine, no rain. 58 degrees the overnight low on Saturday. Sunday, almost near the 80-degree mark. A lot of sunshine around. It'll be beautiful. Spring breakers will enjoy Sunday, I think, near the beaches. And then as we head into the beginning of next week, we'll start to think about rain chances. Tuesday, probably the best chance for rain next week. And then we'll clear it out and turn a little cooler on Wednesday.